Hi, and welcome to the 8th video of the Clarity PPM Getting Started series. I'm Catherine, a product manager with Clarity PPM. In our previous videos, we saw how you can use custom investments to create a strategic plan and then use roadmaps to present it to the executive team. We also saw how you can quickly evaluate and approve ideas, then create projects that help you implement the strategy. You then learned how to identify and add resources to an investment and record time spent on tasks by using timesheets. In this video, you will learn how you can manage investment financials seamlessly using Clarity. Financial managers typically use disparate tools and spend hours on spreadsheets to manually reconcile costs. I'm sure by the end of this video, you will understand how Clarity can help you deliver projects and other investments within budget. Let's open the project that we previously created. We have already added tasks and resources to this project. Let's create a cost plan for this project. Cost plans are an alternative to financial summaries and allow you to project the estimated cost for the project. Let's create a new cost plan. We'll select cost type and role as the grouping attributes. Stakeholders will now be able to view the cost breakdown by cost type and role. Because we have already assigned tasks to various resources, you can use the Populate from Assignments option to automatically populate the cost plan. You can see that within seconds, Clarity generates the cost plan for the project. You can quickly review the spend by each role and ensure it meets the organizational standards. You can manually edit the cost plan if you need to and submit it for approval. Because this is the only cost plan associated with the project, it is automatically designated the Plan of Record, or POR. However, if you have multiple cost plans for a project, you will need to choose one of them as the Plan of Record. Let's quickly review the budget plan and approve it. Once resources start working on the projects and start submitting timesheets, the Clarity PPM administrator can run these jobs to process the data in the timesheets and record them as actuals for the project. The budget remaining gauge gets updated. You can then use the Plan to Actuals and Plan to Forecast views to compare the expected and current spend. You can then have a discussion with relevant stakeholders and adjust the project specifics to ensure it stays within budget. Remember that you can use the power of Clarity PPM Financials for other investment types, such as ideas and custom investments. We are constantly refining and evolving our features, so don't forget to review the Clarity PPM documentation for more information. I am sure you now understand how you can use the financial capabilities of Clarity PPM. Thank you for watching this video on getting started with financials. In the next video, you will learn how the leadership team can monitor the delivery of the strategy by using roadmaps. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.